Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. I am McKenzie, and this is Lifestyle by McKenzie. Now, a few things that you're going to get here on this channel is that I am a big advocate of shopping your closet and maximizing your wardrobe because I truly believe that we have all the pieces that we need to be stylish, to show up as our best selves, and just be able to put easy outfits together and not having to always rely on buying something impulsively and being able to really hone in on your style with things that you already own. So if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button because I'm kind of new here and I really want to grow on YouTube. And I absolutely love doing these dress up videos for you all because it not only helps me help you all, but it really helps me figure out outfits in my own wardrobe, which leads me into today's video. Now, today's video is about styling one pair of Bermuda shorts 4 different ways. Bermuda shorts, in my opinion, have always come in and out of style. But I really love how we are modernizing it in different ways to bring out the Bermuda short, from elevating it to even dressing it down to even something in between. So let's get into today's first look. So today's first look are these Bermuda shorts that I got from Zara. Now, these are the shorts that I'm going to wear throughout the video. I got these from Zara and they are a thick material. They aren't really super casual, but what I really love about them is that they can easily be dressed up and dressed down. So let's get into this top. This top means so much to me because I got this for my 30th birthday and I recently turned 30. Well, I guess not recently. Last September, I turned 30 and I threw this fabulous birthday party. I paired this top with some silver pants. And what I really love about this trend is that fringe looks really good. Your takeaway here is bring out the long tops. And I've been saying this several times, but this is a nod to layering. This is a nod to fringe as a trend. This is a nod to the trend of people wearing dresses as tops. Like, this is playing into so many trends, but I feel like it's making such a bold statement. This would also be great for some pants underneath, like what I wore for my birthday. But I absolutely love this top. This is also a great type of top to wear as a beach cover up because this is what I mean by you have to really think about your pieces in so many different scenarios. I've worn this as a beach cover up. I wore this to my own birthday party. Now I'm wearing it with some Bermuda shorts where I can wear these great lace up heels, or I could even wear some great flat sandals as well if I was just walking around a resort or just shopping around Soho. I think that this top would be so fabulous, and it's a show stopping top. Again, when I always talk about maximizing your wardrobe, even if you're not really into bold prints or bold colors or bold styles, bold things like this can really help you carry your outfit. Even if I wore some really baggy jeans underneath or some really baggy shorts underneath, it would instantly elevate the look by just adding this top, and I didn't have to do too much. Always think about that. You don't have to have a lot of statement pieces in your wardrobe. I think having one or two in each season is a great staple, and bonus points if you figure out how to style each of them in different seasons, because that's something that I always try to encourage you all to do. So with that said, let's get into the next look. Now, the next look I'm going to show you all is this cute top that I got from Old Navy, and it's actually Christopher John Rogers. Christopher John Rogers is a Black fashion designer, has very super luxury, and then he also did this collab with Old Navy. This is actually my second collab piece from him. He also did a collab with J. Crew, and I got this great striped dress. This is a sweater dress, and it's fabulous. One thing to note about Christopher John Rogers is that he is really known for his bold prints. And I love that he did not shy away from that with the collab with Old Navy, because I love how bold this top is. It's a peplum type of top. And then it also has these circles. And you know, polka dots is such a big trend this season. And if you didn't check out my video, I will link it above. So don't worry. But polka dots is such a big trend this season. But I love how it's not black and white polka dots, because I do have a piece that's black and white. But the thing that I love about this is that his play on color. Polka dots is a big thing this summer. Normally it's black and white polka dots, but then he does it with green and brown and black. And I think that it's such a great fun color and bold to add into your wardrobe. And even better to pair with these black Bermuda shorts, because I feel like they are so cute. And then pairing it with the same lace up sandals, because I feel like the lace up sandals is another pop of color. Because I'm really encouraging you all, even though my base are black shorts, I really want you all to play into color, because I just feel like, and I say this every video, we need to move away from neutrals, okay? Like there's nothing wrong with playing into color, it's nothing wrong with playing with prints. And I absolutely love the fact that when Black fashion designers, especially luxury designers, team up with a mid-tier or lower tier brand and really produce pieces that are easily accessible and affordable. That is something that I'm really a big advocate about, and something that I feel like I've learned being here in New York City, that style doesn't mean that you necessarily have to spend a lot of money, which is why I always encourage you all to shop at different stores, go in, look at sales, never necessarily price yourself out of a situation, because even if you do like a designer like a Christopher John Rogers, if you follow them and watch them grow, maybe they'll have a collab at an Old Navy or a J. Crew, which is a more approachable price point. So that's just my tip, but I absolutely love this top. And it was actually the only thing I was able to snag from the collection, but I'm forever grateful. So on to the next look. So the next look I'm going to show you all is this top that I got from Zara. Now, I wore this in my Dubai vlog, which I'm going to continue to plug, but I wore this, and this is really the trend of wearing a dress as a top. Now, this is too short for me to wear as a dress, but you definitely could wear it as a dress. But I love wearing this feminine lingerie top because I think, especially in the evening time, especially with something like Bermuda shorts, which is kind of like, in a way, tomboyish. At least this type of cut I feel like is a tomboyish cut, and then pairing it with such a feminine top, I really love that juxtaposition of pairing that outfit. And I love and pairing that outfit together, and then it's something so simple and easy that you can go crazy with accessories. I loved if I had a necklace on, more statement pieces on my fingers. You know I love my rings, but I just love this, and it's so simple, right? I know that you have a lace top, even if it's not a long dress. This is a great tip to bring out the little lingerie dainty cami that you might not always wear. Pair it with a great pair of Bermuda shorts, maybe some mules, get you a nice clutch, some sunglasses, and you are good to go. So on to the last look. So the last look I'm going to show you all, listen, I live in New York and the Knicks are in the finals. So I obviously had to get some merch. I actually went to watch the game near Madison Square Garden for game one, and it was literally so crazy. In fact, today, this is Friday before I upload this on Sunday, but we are also going to another watch party today. So with that said, I'm actually going to wear this outfit. But I got this graphic tee literally on the street outside of Madison Square Garden for $20, and it's actually pretty good quality. Your takeaway here is pull out that graphic tee. A graphic tee is such a great staple, especially in the summertime. It keeps you casual, but you can also pair it with some fun mules like the ones that I have on. I actually got these mules from Dillard's. Can you believe that? Like, I literally was talking to my mom and I was telling her as we prepare for the wedding, I was like, please, when you are looking at dresses or like mother of the bride dresses, go to like the old faithful Dillard's, Nordstrom, Macy's. Like, do not sleep on the old department stores, because I got these fabulous mule, and they have that, like, I don't know, I always forget the name of this texture or this pattern, but it's like the hair, the pony hair mules, and they're blue and they're cute. And I felt like this looks really great with this outfit. And this is just a nod that not everything has to be a statement piece or, dramatic, but having a great graphic tee, pair it with some Bermuda shorts, elevate it with some great mules, sunglasses, get you a nice mocktail, cocktail, hang out with your friends, just sit outside, and you are already stylish and cool and fabulous. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I was helpful, and I hope that you pick up a pair of Bermuda shorts this summer. I don't think you'll regret it. Go in the store, try it on, even order a bunch of pairs. But I personally like, for this type of thing, put away a few hours, go to the store, try on different styles of Bermuda shorts, find the cut and style that works for you, and figure out how to work it into your wardrobe. Okay, so that's my tip this week. I hope that you enjoyed this video and send this to a friend. Thank you for watching. Bye.